So guys, see this cute puppy. It's sitting. It's very cute. Last night I saw this cute puppy outside. I think I don't know where he came from, and all the dog is trying to bite this because this puppy is not from this area. I don't know where this came. And the colony dog were trying to bite this cute puppy, and that's why I take this in my room. I think he did not sleep from the last few days, so last night he slept very well. See, now I'm feeding him egg and milk, and then I'll keep this again outside. So I'm going for gym, and at the daytime I can't keep this inside because people are not, my landlord also not allowing dog inside, so that's why I'll keep this dog now. Come. See how cute. It's very cute. So guys, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching this video. Help animals, help dog. And thank you guys, thank you everyone. Please do subscribe my channel.